From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning. I'm Westin Boyd from the Penn State Campus Weather Service, and this is your Thursday morning forecast. Happy first day of meteorological winter. We are seeing some pretty cold temperatures out there. Right now we're sitting at 28 degrees, looking at some cloudy skies with strong winds out of the west at 17 miles an hour, which are making it feel like a frigid 16 degrees. My goodness, you better bring your winter coats today. This trend is continuing throughout the majority of the state, especially in our area. We are seeing a lot of areas that are recording temperatures in the low to mid-20s right about now. And this is more or less continuing throughout the rest of the state. We are seeing some areas in southeastern Pennsylvania that are breaking freezing, but for the most part, it's cold everywhere this morning. And we just had a cold front move through in the past 24 hours, which is causing a pretty significant temperature drop in the vast majority of the state. Some areas of the state, especially on the western side, have seen a temperature drop of over 20 degrees, which is quite significant. And this front moved through the majority of the country, so a lot of areas in the eastern United States right now are seeing a pretty significant temperature drop as well. In addition, the winds are picking up across the Commonwealth, ranging from 10 to 20 miles an hour. In State College here, we are seeing 13 miles an hour, but they do go as high as, per se, 18 miles per hour in Scranton. So, yeah, it's a windy day out there today. As for the precipitation chance, today we're looking pretty dry. We could see some snow showers in areas, especially in the northern portion of the state, due to lake effect snow. But again, for the most part, we should remain pretty dry. And this is also the case with the rest of the United States as well. As for the future weather, again, we should remain pretty dry throughout the next 2 days before we see some clouds move in on Friday night. And then a few bands of showers throughout Friday night and Saturday morning as well. And then another band of showers will pass through Saturday afternoon, so keep a lookout for that. As we move into Saturday night and Sunday, though, it should start to clear out again. As for rainfall accumulations, this band of showers won't be too significant. We're looking at accumulations of about 1/10 of an inch to 2/10 of an inch, nothing too dramatic. As for the broad overlook, again, there are those showers that we see moving through Saturday afternoon. Again, a clear out will follow that before some more showers will likely move into the area on Tuesday. And then we will see another midweek clear out with some nice weather. As for the temperatures, again, in these next 2 days, we should remain pretty chilly in Pennsylvania, with a lot of areas struggling to break freezing, including State College. Overnight, those temperatures will dip into about the mid-20s before warming up a little bit more on Friday, but still remaining pretty cold. A lot of temperatures will remain in the 30s. So for your short-term forecast, tonight, those temperatures, again, like I said, will dip into the 20s, potentially even reaching temperatures into the low 20s. Skies will remain clear and winds will chill out a bit overnight, with gusts only reaching about up to 15 miles an hour. Friday, though, those breezy winds will return with gusts reaching up to 35 miles an hour. And like I said, the temperatures will remain pretty low with a high predicted of about 36. And then as for your 7-day forecast, again, we're seeing a clear out in a relatively cold period in the next 2 days before showers return, along with higher temperatures on the weekend. Another 2 days of relatively dry weather before the chance of rain returns on Tuesday. And those temperatures will remain pretty low, struggling to break the 40s for the most of the beginning of next week. I'm Westin Boyd from the Penn State Campus Weather Service. Have a fantastic rest of your day.